Alright, I'm out here at US 41, number 1 in Terre, Haute, Indiana. You can see the crossing is currently malfunctioning. This is a very busy highway, so it's pretty bad malfunction. See the signals are activated and the bells are ringing. And the proof that these two crossings here at Voorhees and US 41 have two different relays, here's proof, because Voorhees isn't malfunctioning. Just US 41. See, there's a Harman cantilever, some Harman 12x24" lights, and a GS Type 1 E-bell, all on both signals. It's a gateless crossing because it's a branch line to the grain elevator you can see over there. I did a crossing tour of both of these crossings before if you want to check that out. I might put a link in the description. Yep, this is pretty bad. See, most of the cars here aren't even stopping to make sure there's a train. These ones are here, but see, like, all these people aren't even stopping. Usually when there is a train, they don't either. Quite interesting malfunction, actually. Never actually seen it malfunction here just yet. There's the relay case, which again shares the relay for Voorhees Street right there. So this is for sure that they share different relays, as I showed earlier as well. In a recent video, the train pulled up and only Voorhees activated, and it got pretty close to here. Not sure what's causing malfunction. Could be cold temperatures, but you'd think it'd activate Voorhees as well, so I'm guessing that's not the cause. Could be a issue with the detector, since the track condition here is pretty bad. That's a possibility. Can't stay out here for very long because we need to go to Baker Yard. So, but again, yeah, Voorhees is it malfunctioning?